Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn to highlight activated cell. First, we need to create data. After making the headings, we need to insert data. Now, simply select cells and drag down to create serial number. You can use random name or your own desired list. We use here random and common names. Now, we move to our salary column. You can use formula or insert salary manually. Now, we need to insert region column details. You can copy and paste data to save time. Finally, we move to our department column. Again, you can copy and paste data. We can increase zoom size to better view. Now, we make the length of the cell equal. Now, select the table data and make formatting. You can make heading formatting. You can also remove grid lines from Page Layout tab. Now, we move to make currency symbol and salary column. Select currency option and formats. Now, we need to select whole table data. Go on Conditional Formatting option. Select New Rule option. Click on Last option. Here, we need to write formula manually. We need to use correct formula to trigger. We need to use correct formula. After completing formula, need to click Format. Select your desired color. Now we need to right-click on Sheet. Click on View Code option. Now, right here again code to trigger. Now, we need to close this tab. Now, test our formulae and functions. It will only highlight cells in selected area. This is how we have created highlighted cell sheet.